Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to prepare coconut rice with dry fish and chicken. Preparing this coconut rice, these are the recipes that I'm going to use. Here I have chopped onions. I've already washed these onions, then I've chopped it. I'm using 2 large onions here. Then here is my smoked fish. I've done all the washing. Here I have grounded crayfish, my season, salt to taste, pepper. This is the rice that I'm using. Then this is my coconut milk. I've already blended, filter it, take away the chaff, and it's remaining just the coconut milk that I'm going to use. Remember, I use hot water to filter the milk out. Preparing coconut rice, everything should be added in the pot before putting it on the fire, so to avoid burnt. So what we'll do now is to add the coconut milk. We pour in our coconut milk into the pot. Then add the crayfish. Add our crayfish. Add the season. Add our fish. Add pepper. Then salt. Stir it. Then you taste it. Pour in your rice. Gently pour in your rice. Using 4 large coconuts here for 9 cups of rice. I've already parboiled this rice. Then I'll stir it to finally taste my salt before putting it on the fire. Stir it very well. Then add the onions. Then I'll cover it now, then put it on fire. After stirring it very well, cover it, then put it on fire. Let's check our coconut rice. Wow, it's ready now. Ooh. Yummy, yummy. That is delicious. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, share with friends and families. See you in my next video.